Hi YouTube. I'm going to be doing a very quiet video right now, so turn up your volume. It is on the IonQ Chat 3G. I'm going to be doing a basic run through on its features. So the first thing I thought about was just like the BlackBerry. I thought it had kind of like a ball or something that the BlackBerry usually has right here, or right here to easily scroll through your icons. But it is just a button. You simply press right in the middle, and it just changes everything like that one way, just like you do here. So it has a nice keyboard. It feels very cheap and squeaky, kind of like plastic. It's slightly raised. I don't know if you can see that or not, but right here it's slightly raised and well lit. So the basic things this has is settings, messaging, contacts, Twitter, feeds, Facebook, hub, browser, another browser, MSN, email, music, camera, settings, and all the way back. You can also get these gadgets on the top, showing your Facebook, Yahoo, and your time. Just like the BlackBerry, it has a little button right here. It brings up your full-out memory, your menu. It's kind of cheap and to type with. You can hear it squeak and stuff, but you can type quite fast. But they do make a loud clicking sound. I don't like that. This is what the screen looks like. You got your battery and your internet and stuff like that up there. This you can connect to your computer and use it as a mobile modem, so you just plug it via USB to your computer and select modem, mobile modem, and use the internet, and change files and stuff. It has a 3.2 megapixel camera, autofocus, but no flash. It can hold a SIM card, micro SD, a big battery, speaker. Comes with two backings that just slide off. It's a very basic phone, very well designed. Let's see. Very, very, very well designed, I think, but it is kind of cheap. Internet costs $10. You can get Skype for it. It's a very good phone. You can adjust volume on this side as well, and there's your USB. You can't hook up a head jack to it. You can right here though. So you can't have like Apple headphones or nothing, which really sucks. So that's the basic phone. It's not worth $150, but my friend bought it, so I just did a review on it and fixed it up. It's very sluggish. So yeah, thanks for watching.